what is a mixed use property, and how can that be defined?
Great. So a mixed-use property is essentially two different assets coming together underneath one property. That could be anywhere between an office space or a retail space, or multifamily and a retail space. That's what you see more common these days. You'll see on the top side, you'll see condo apartments where people are living in, and then on the bottom side, you'll see retail where stores are shopping from, or where they can shop and live. We have a lot of similar products coming online in the state of Florida that want to keep that home, life, work all in one central location.
Okay.
And so that's what they're pushing towards more in the developments.
Hey, you guys, you better listen up clearly. They got some new developments on the rise, so